Good morning, everyone. So we'll start with global news update. So key Fed measure shows inflation rose 2.6% in May from a year ago, as expected. 10-year Treasury yield rises after release of fresh inflation and consumer data. Top Democratic fundraisers sound the alarm after Biden's debate performance. Markets are now pricing in a 43% chance that President Biden drops out of the 2024 presidential election. The odds of Biden dropping out have more than doubled since last night's debate. So we'll move on to the Indian market update. So Indian market, as far as Nifty is concerned, it closed negative 33.90 points. And so we are after 3 days, 4 days of continuous rally, we have seen some pullback. So currently it is trading at for 24,000 level. So it's already actually it made high of 24,174 last week. We already discussed about it going to 24, so it is already achieved that. So for today, the next level of resistance would be at 24,200 and 24,300 level as far as the pivots are concerned. On the downside, we are expecting 23,873 or 900, followed by 23,697 or 23,700. Option chain data. 24,100 looks to be an intermittent resistance, but again, the resistance has shifted at 24,500. On the downside, 24,000 still remains a strong support, being a round number. So right now, the range is between 24,000 to 24,500 as far as Nifty is concerned. Bank Nifty also has traded lower, 469.05 points on the previous trading session. So for Bank Nifty, the next level of resistance would be 52,900, followed by 53,121. And on the downside, the support could be at 52,000, being a round number. And also, if the 52,000 level is broken, then the next level of support would be at 51,743. Let's quickly look at the option chain data also. So Bank Nifty support is at 51,500, though it is trading at 52,400. There's no immediate support, so there could be a chance a pullback until 51,500. On the upper side, we are seeing a resistance at 53,000 level. So probably we can see a pullback up to 51,500, and then probably market can again make a high of 53,000. That's the expectation as far as Nifty data is concerned. Mid-cap Nifty did pretty well compared to the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So it had risen 312.65 points. So for mid-cap Nifty, the next level of resistance would be at 56,000. On the downside, it would be 55,332. Small cap also has been kind of sideways, but still remained positive in the previous trading session, 152.70 points. For small cap, the next level of resistance would be at 18,531. On the bottom side, 18,200, the support. If that is broken, the next level of support would be 18,041. And the next support would be at 18,000. So these are the level for the major indices. Now let us look at the sectoral data. So sectoral data, the opportunities remains pretty much same. Construction materials, paper, logistics, alcohol, also something new that is showing good opportunities. Industrial gases and fuels, chemicals, banking, electricals, auto ancillaries, textile, IT, of course, even little bit opportunity in aviation, and retailing, realty, FMCG, finance, iron and steel, healthcare, power. So there are a lot of sectors, media, entertainment, which are we're seeing some dips, so which are good opportunity to buy. So these are the sectors that we can look into for research. So let us look at the deliveries, positive deliveries. Gas and transmission, FMCG, crude oil, logistics, industrial gases and fuels, consumer durables. Yeah, so I think these are the few sectors that are good for a short-term opportunity. So if somebody is looking for a short-term trading opportunity, they can look into these sectors. So as far as baskets are concerned, so these are the three baskets for this week that we have recommended. Best large cap stock basket, then best auto stock basket, that is expected returns is 10%, and best private bank stocks expected returns is 10%. So these are the three basket recommendation for the current week.
Wonderful. Any news? Any points from anyone else other than that? What is the view for the budget?
So it's on 22nd or 23rd, but
Okay.
still the detail have to become.
Okay. So all eyes are on the budget in terms of tax reforms, in terms of stock market related, whether there is going to be more taxes, flat tax of 30% on the derivatives that is doing the rounds.
Yeah.
And income tax, personal income tax slabs will be altered, or the reduction in the taxes is. So one big local trigger is the announcements in the budget at the India level plus the US elections.